Isla has her cute dress. I had this picked out from when I was still pregnant.
Can you say a chew?
Isla.
Hey.
Isla girl. Do you like the Easter bunny? Whoa. Whoa, where you going with that head?
Hi, baby. You're such a cute girl. Yeah? Oh, she's tired. Go to the mall just to sleep.
We are like a traveling circus. We have so many bags. Oh my goodness. We just had to get her out of her Easter dress. So we finished with the mall. Had a mini panic attack when I left one of our bags at Payless Shoe Source, and it had my wallet and 2 of the things we bought in it. So I had to run around frantically trying to find it, but...
Oh, and pro tip, if you are on going down an escalator and you have a stroller, when you get to the bottom, push it down so the top in front of it lifts up. This smart one right here thought you just leave it down, and it started backing up the thing with it, and so she freaked out.
We almost had an accident on the escalator with the stroller, and I ran into a lady trying to save Isla from, but it's kind of hard to describe what happened, but we almost fell.
We'll also post on there the pictures that we took Isla took with the Easter Bunny today. We tried to sneak in a couple videos, but it kind of failed.
Yeah, they were like very strict.
Lady's
about
like,
their
no
security.
videotaping. And I was like, wow. It's just a picture of a bunny, of a person in a bunny suit.
I know. They were very strict about their setup. They didn't want that videotaped. But Drew got some new clothes, some cologne, and now we are picking up Amanda. Gonna watch Game of Thrones tonight.
Woo-woo!
So we're having a Game of Thrones Season 8 premiere party.
Hey!
Hi! Stop!
Isla's not making it. She's knocked out. With like 30 more minutes, and Isla we watched the seasons 1 through 7 again to prepare for the final season, and Isla loved it, so she's missing out. So Drew got dino chicken nuggets to be dragons in honor of our Game of Thrones party. Isla girl, you slept through the whole Game of Thrones party.
She goes, I like to watch the whole season at once.
What do you think, babe? You don't know, huh? Our little family. So what did you think of that final episode? Or not final episode, first episode of season 8.
I mean, I think it's going to be a build-up for the whole season.
We were expecting more, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, I thought there was going to be a little more action, or somebody was going to die, or something.
They only have 6 episodes this season, so I'm anxious to find out what happens.
Looks like the previews for the next one are going to be pretty good, though. Let us know what you think. What do you think's going to happen?
Yeah, comment below what you think is gonna happen. Good morning.
Morning.
It's Easter Sunday.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Look at Isla. 8 a.m. and got a lot going on today. A lot of family coming over, and so we're gonna get started making breakfast. Drew's making pulled pork on the smoker. Got a lot to do.
You wouldn't be at work.
What are you making?
We're making pulled pork for Easter. We're gonna do two different kinds of pulled pork. We're doing a Texas traditional, and then we're doing a North Carolina injected rubbed one. We'll see which one wins on either one.
How long do you have to cook it for?
It's gonna be 8 hours of cook time probably, and 2 hours of rest time, so about 10 hours total.
Nice.
Right now we got the fire going. We're just waiting to get the meat out here. That's about it.
So which one's which?
Texas traditional, and that's Memphis, Carolina style, injected, don't know what else style.
How'd it turn out?
Looks good so far. We have this one, injected one. Everybody's been kind of eating on that one, and then we're just now opening this one, so looks good.
We're gonna play confetti eggs.
You want to see them?
You should comment if you do confetti eggs in your family.
If I could open the freaking carton. There you go.
So we're gonna take turns hitting them
Yo.
with
Sick.
that bat back there.
Everybody has to bat left-handed.
Say, Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter.